So, now see here we have done electric current and we have seen here the flow of the electrons through a conductor is known as electric current. The rate of flow of electron actually with the time is known as electric current. So, when the electrons flows through the conductor, they constitute electric current. Now, we have to see here what are the current carriers in the different materials. Suppose we are talking about the conductors first one. Conductors, basically we are taking here the solid conductors. In the solid conductors, like the metals are considered as solid conductors. So, in solid conductors current carriers are free electrons, because every conductor has got large number of the free electrons. So, the current carriers are in this one is here free electrons. Now, if you take suppose electrolyte, in electrolyte, see here what happened, there are the positive and negative ions which can move. So, the actually current carriers are in electrolytes are positive and negative ions. Now, if you take gases, so in gases, see here when the ionization of the gases takes place, in that case current starts flowing. So, during ionization, the electrons become free and positive ions are there. So, actually free electrons and positive ions are current carriers in gases here. So, there we have seen now the current carriers in conductors, electrolytes and gases. Now, let us study how does current flow through conductor and what are the velocities of the electrons. That means we are going to discuss actually the concept of the drift speed.